Hey guys, what's up? How are you doing? I hope you are good, great, fantaberifical. It has been a while since I said that. How you guys doing? I hope you're all good, safe, and sound, and all that good stuff. Here I am, about to do some art. Yes, first piece of art in 2020. That's crazy. Anyway, we're just gonna get to it, but before I start, I want to mention that in my last video where I announced the 10 giveaway winners, only 5 out of the 10 have responded to me. So I'm gonna give the other 5 another, let's say, 3 days. 3 days. What's today? Let me look at today is the 30th of March, so 3 days. So that will be, is there 31 days this month? I am out of it. Yes, there is. Okay, so that means 1, 2, 3. On the 2nd of April, I'll give you till the end of the day, 2nd of April, to respond to me, the other 5 winners, to get your prize. And if you don't respond, I'm just going to go ahead and choose another 5 to add up to the 10. You know what I'm saying. Back to the video. As you could see, the only thing that I have out right now are these 3 pieces of chipboard. I just felt like working on some chipboard. Why not? I have absolutely nothing in my brain right now. Nothing. I do have some paints surrounded around me. I'll show them if I use them. I have some pens, and that's pretty much it. I don't have anything else out. I'm just gonna go and see where it takes me. And hopefully it takes me somewhere nice and this turns out to be an actual video that I can post. Alright guys, I'm gonna put on some music. Oh, I did want to mention, I appreciate you all for waiting all these months to see another art video. I'm excited. I'm hoping it turns out to be something good and enjoyable. I'm just going to make 3 different pieces of art. Okay, let's get into it. Yay! Alright guys, this is it. This is how it turned out. Let me try to get a little close up here. I like how it came out. I really do. I started this video ready to make 3 of these. I'm done. I'm done. This is a good enough start for me. Baby steps, people. But I do like how this turned out. It's a little crazy, but what I wanted to do was honestly just take paint and play in it. That was my purpose. I wanted to just go. I wanted to just be free and do whatever made me feel good. And this made me feel good. The result, it's all right. But it made me feel good, and that's the most important thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you liked. I'm gonna try to continue this streak and post regularly again. Crossing 2 of them and my toes. Okay, that's it. I'm rambling. I will see you in the next one. Bye!